Today, the article I read is A Long Life. Nancy was to live a long time. She was to live for 100 years. She is 5 years old now. She was to live 95 more years. Then she will be 100. Her father is 30 years old. He was to live a long time too. He was to live for 100 years. He was to live for 70 more years. Daddy, we will grow old together, okay? Nancy said to her father. Yes, honey, we will grow old together, he said to Nancy. Then Nancy smiled. She gave her daddy a big hug.